Hey, have you seen the new Amazfit Bip 6? This upgrade really steps things up compared to the Bip 5. First off, the display, gone is the old TFT screen. The Bip 6 now packs a 1.97-inch AMOLED panel with a brightness boost of up to 2000 nits. Whether you're indoors or out in direct sunlight, everything looks crisp and vibrant. The design's gotten a noticeable upgrade too. It now features an aluminum alloy frame combined with a fiber-reinforced polymer case, giving it a more premium feel than the plastic-heavy Bip 5. It's still lightweight, so it won't weigh you down, and you've got those classic physical buttons on the side. Plus, it's water-resistant up to 50 meters. Sports tracking, it's got you covered with 140 modes, from running and cycling to swimming, artistic swimming, and even niche activities like kite flying. Health tracking is solid too. 24-hour heart rate monitoring, SpO2 tracking, stress tracking, sleep monitoring, and even sleep HRV tracking, which is pretty rare at this price point. It also includes menstrual cycle tracking and AI-powered features like OpenAI's food log tool. Speaking of AI, Zepp Health has hinted at deeper OpenAI integration in future updates, which could bring even more smart features to the Bip 6. Other highlights: Bluetooth calling, a built-in speaker and mic, Zepp Coach, and an ambient light sensor for auto brightness adjustment. GPS-wise, it supports 5 satellite systems for accurate tracking, though it's single frequency, so not quite as precise as dual band systems. No NFC though. Battery life, you're looking at up to 14 days on typical use, or around 6 if you're pushing it hard. It charges via USB-C, but in a move toward eco-friendliness, there's no charging cable in the box, if you buy that reasoning. Despite its budget-friendly price, the Bip 6 holds its own against more expensive models in fitness tracking. That said, it does miss out on extras like skin temperature measurement or a barometric altimeter. Amazfit offers the Bip 6 in black, charcoal, stone, and red colors, and it's available in the US for $80 through Amazfit's official US website. Well, that is all for this video. Thanks for watching. Peace.